Greetings everyone, SYG Tech is here. This is a part 4 with the TELESIN products for the Action 6. So this is pretty cool because we have ND filters for your Action 6. Let me show you what we have here in today's video. I'm gonna do a separate video demonstrating all the ND filters, so stay tuned for that. But in today's video, I'm gonna show you quick video what actually we got. The TELESIN brand, they sent 5 products. This is the 4th product in today's video. Make sure to watch all the products that I did already reviews in my channel, and also I got like 1000 plus videos. Make sure to subscribe, like, and check some cool videos. You may find something useful. But what they sent a CPL filter, as you can see, which is pretty cool. Also we have UV filter, and last but not least we have VND filter. And all these filters are pretty easy to swap, install to your Action 6, because you don't have to do any removements. You don't have to remove the lens of the Action 6. You just take your preferred ND filter. For example, let's take the VND filter, and you just attach the filter directly to the lens, as you can see. So voila, it's pretty cool. As you can see, I still have the films on the lens because I haven't tried them yet. I'm gonna do a separate video, so make sure to subscribe and like if you want to see that. But ND filters from TELESIN brand, they do different types of ND filters, so check the link in the descriptions down below. You might find something useful for your Action 6. To remove the lens, again, you just remove it. It's pretty straightforward. Let's take the, which one is that? This is the UV filter, and again just attach it, and as you can see, it's pretty easy to attach. Super easy, nice, pretty cool. And let me be clear with something, that this ND filters will not work for your Action 5 Pro. So if you want lenses, ND filters for the Action 5 Pro, you have to buy lenses only for the Action 5 Pro. These lenses will not work on the Action 5 Pro, so they are only made for the Action 6. As you can see, pretty cool. I will demonstrate what these filters can do, but this will be a separate video. But yeah, the price is $37 for 3 ND filters, but again, they sell different types of filters for your Action 6, Action 5, and pretty much all type of ND filters for your cinematic videos, different type of videos. But check the TELESIN brand. I'm gonna leave the descriptions down below, all the videos that I did so far, with my video that I did first impressions, unboxing, and all the 4 videos. This is part 4 of the TELESIN products. Make sure to check all my videos, guys. I got like 1000 plus videos. You might find something useful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. TELESIN, thank you for sending all these 5 products. I'll see you guys in the next video with the number 5. I left the 5th product in the end because probably it's one of the best ones. They're all good, they're all fantastic, but I think the 5th product is the coolest in my opinion. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.